Exercise 5.5, problem 13, discussion. Find the equation of the straight line joining the point of intersection of the lines 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and x plus 2y equal to 4, and the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So what they're giving is you have one set of equation, right? You solve this, you'll get one point of intersection and another point of intersection from these two equations. So the required line is the line joining the first point and the second point. Okay, so that is what the problem is all about. So all we need to do is that solve the first pair of equation, get the first point. Solve the second pair of equation and get the second point. Then use the two-point form of the two-point form equation of the straight line and get the equation of the straight line. Okay, right. So what's given here? Equation of the straight lines 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and the next pair of equations. Okay, so altogether 4 equations, two pair of equations. We are asked to find the equation of the straight line. The formula is a two-point form, right? The first point is obtained by solving these two equations. The second point is obtained by solving these two equations. Step 1. Solve 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and x plus 2y equal to 4 and get the first point of intersection. Solve the next pair of equation, that is 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and get the second point of intersection. Substitute the 2 points in the two-point form of the equation, which is y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2 and get the equation of the straight line. So whatever you get here, that is x1 y1. Whatever you get in step 2, it is x2 y2. Using those 2 points in this equation, get the equation of the straight line. Okay, right. So what I suggest is you pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. So let's go through this solution. So let's solve the first pair of equation, 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and x plus 2y equal to 4. So if you write it out here, you can see equation 1 into 2 will get you minus 2y, and then minus 2y and plus 2y on addition will get cancelled, right? So by elimination method, so you could multiply equation 1 by 2, which will give you 6x minus 2y equal to minus 18. So add equation 2 and 3. 6x plus x is 7x, right? That's what is written here, 6x plus x, and then minus 2y plus 2y will get cancelled. Minus 18 and plus 4, right? So that will be 4 minus 18. Okay, so 7x will be equal to 4 minus 18 is minus 14. So x will be equal to minus 2. So substituting x equal to minus 2 in equation 1, we get 3 into minus 2 minus y equal to 9. So that will be, okay, so that will be minus 6 minus y will be equal to minus 9. So that will become y when you bring it this side, it will become positive y, and 9 you take it to the other side. So y will be equal to 9 minus 6, that's equal to 3. So the point will be minus 2 and 3. Okay, so the first point of intersection. Now let's do the same for the second pair of equation and to get the second point of intersection. So this will be 2x plus y minus 4 and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So when you write it out here, see this equation, if you multiply it by 2, then you will be able to cancel, eliminate x. So equation, okay, or you can multiply equation 4 by 2 and you can cancel y, right? So what will happen is the equation 4 is multiplied by 2, so this will become 4x plus 2y minus 8 will be equal to 0. Now we add 5 plus 6, so what will happen? 4x, x plus 4x, that is 5x, and minus 2y plus 2y will get cancelled, and 3 plus minus 8 is minus 5, that's equal to 0. So 5x minus 5 equal to 0, or 5x equal to 5 and x equal to 1. So substituting x equal to 1 in equation 5, we will get 1 minus 2y equal to minus 3. This plus 3 goes to the other side as minus 3. So minus 2y will be, take this 1 also to the other side, so it will become minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, or 2y will be equal to 4, or y will be equal to 2. Okay, so the point of intersection will be 1, 2. So this is the second point of intersection. So use both the point of intersection in the 2-point form. Y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2 to get the equation of the straight line. Okay, now we have the 2 points minus 2, 3 and 1, 2, and you substitute all these points here, you will be able to get the equation of the straight line. So here x1 y1 is minus 2, 3, this is x2 y2, that is y minus y1, that is y minus 3 divided by y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 3 equal to x minus x1, that is x minus x1 is 2, right? So minus of minus will become plus, divided by x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus minus of 2, that will become 1 plus 2. But please note this, you can have it as y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2. But the only thing is that you should have the same order here. If you use y1 minus y2, it must be x1 minus x2. If you use y2 minus y1, this must be x2 minus x1, right? The same goes for the numerator. It must be in the same order. That's all it is. Okay, so now you can cross multiply. So this will be 3 into y minus 3 will be equal to, this is minus 1, so minus 1 into x plus 2. So this is 3y minus 9 will be equal to minus x minus 2. So that will be x plus 3y, and minus 2 comes to this side, it will become plus 2. So minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7 equal to 0. So equation of the straight line is x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so this is how this problem can be solved. So basically you have two pairs of equation, right? So each pair you solve and get one point of intersection. So you'll get 2 points of intersection. Then use the 2-point form and get the equation of the required straight line. Okay, so I hope I made this problem clear. If not, please go through this video one more time and it will become clear. Thank you for watching this video.